Right, hello people. We're back here again today. What we're going to do today is basically a Romanian chicken soup, and what we have here is some chicken thighs. They're going to be skinned. Some chicken seasoning, a couple of white onions, some cherry tomatoes, a couple of red peppers, some parsley leaf, some noodles, and some borscht. Whatever that is in Romanian. Anyway, we've got today a lovely assistant, which is my other half's daughter, my stepdaughter, and she's going to be doing a lot of this. So we'll get cracking and we're going to skin the chicken. Right, we're back. What's going to happen now? We're going to skin the chicken. It's not going to be me doing it, so I'll let the assistant carry on. Just a little known sort of like fact really in Romania, this is regarded as more of a lunch thing than a dinner. So basically it's what they have mainly. Right, now that's done. What we're going to do now is going to get these into the pan and start boiling these up. Right, so we're back, we skinned the chicken, and what we're doing now is to add them to the pan and let them cook, and obviously till they're well cooked, and like so they're like nice and like the bones are starting to fall off. So we'll get them there in, and then we're going to prepare the rest of the ingredients, and we'll be back in a minute. Right, now the chicken's on the go. We're going to cut out the rest of the ingredients. First of all, obviously we're going to do the onions by my lovely assistant. So obviously these are not going to be fine chopped. Yes or no? No, so they're not. So sort of like coarse chop, obviously, you know, chopped into little bits. That sort of size. So that's them done. Okay, now the onions are done, we're going to chop up the old peppers. Yes! As you can see, this is not me, it's not me, honestly. And also I'm not going to take credit for this one. Right, now the peppers have been done and the onions. It might look a lot of peppers, but we've actually got 2 pans going, because obviously you can cook this in advance and freeze it, so that's why. So now we're going to do the tomatoes, which are going to be cut into 6 each one. As she said, maybe 8. Right, that's one bunch done, and what we do, we'll cut the rest off camera and saves going through all this. Well, see you in a minute. Right, now we've got the onions, the peppers and tomatoes all chopped up. We're going to do the, well, I'm not going to do it, my lovely assistant's going to do it. Is going to de-stalk the parsley because the stalky bits are not good in the soup. So we can just show you a little bit of that and then we'll come back to it later. So basically after it's been de-stalked, it's just been chopped up. Look like it's semi-fine, and as the old fresh parsley is a lot better than the old dried stuff. So we'll come back to that when it's all done. Okay, we're back. The chicken's been cooking for about 2 hours, and what we're going to do is just going to skim off the top. I don't know whether you can see this in the camera actually, but just the little fat bits and anything that's actually in there. Just going to skim that off the top and discard it in the sink basically. So we can just do that and we'll be right back. Right, now after we've skimmed the top of that, start adding the, what is it called? Seasoning. The seasoning. We could put some seasoning, which is basically a tablespoon. Yeah, about a tablespoon in each. Then we're going to add the other ingredients. This is the peppers, sort of like equal amounts in each pan, and the tomatoes, the parsley, just up to our fingers, a bit more pepper, and then we're going for the other one. Is that enough, do you think? I've got the nod, so yeah, that's enough. So once it starts going again, we'll be right back. Right, we're back after about 2.5 hours. As you can see, the chicken is starting to separate from the bone. It's all like getting lovely and flaky. So we're just about to add the rest of the ingredients. Right, we're back again. What we're going to do is add the Borscht. Basically, I don't know if you can see that, there's like a sediment on the bottom, so you know, don't shake the bottle up. So we're going to add that now. I'll put that back down. It's about a cupful.
Yeah, about
Half a cup. And the same in the other one. Give it a little stirrage. And then we're going to add the noodles. Just one little bit crushed up. One for that one. And one for that one. For about 10 minutes. Then we get on to the last ingredient. Right, we're back. So the last bit of the ingredient is going to whisk up some eggs. Blimey, I don't think I need to fast forward that bit. What we're going to do, we're going to basically fork it in, and instead of spooning it in, because we don't want it to scramble. So just put it in and then stir it in. And the same for the other one. So we'll do that, and we'll leave it for about 5 minutes, and we'll have a little serve up and see how we go. See you in a minute. Okay, now we're done. So it's all cooked and all lovely. So we're just going to serve up a nice little bowl full. Lovely. Superb. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.